Imagine a world of your mind that you've been taught to believe. If I say up, you say. If I say left, you say. If I say stop, you say. And you all think you have free will. But everybody says the same thing. From this point on, you're not allowed to raise your hands because I told you so. Exactly. So why is it when you tell a human being not to do something, they want to do something? It's because we're all designed the same, and you've been taught a lie. You've been taught the lie that you are free thinking. Your mind is designed the same way as everybody else's. For those of you that are still thinking about raising your hands, you're still not allowed to. And now if I said all of a sudden, you can put your hands up if you want, what do you immediately not care about? Putting your hands up. But you think you have free will. You go shopping. And when you go shopping, you walk into a store, somebody comes up to you, and they ask you, may I help you? And you say, what? Nah, no thank you. And then as they walk away from you, you're like, why did I just do that? I don't know where this thing is. And then you spend the rest of the time shopping, looking for that one thing, and of course you can't ask that sales associate, because then all of a sudden, they're not going to be there to help you. But they always will be. So consider that there's a pattern that we've been taught our whole entire life that you don't understand and you haven't been aware of.
Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching my videos. Ron Schwally here. Just wanted to say I appreciate you. Feel free to like, subscribe, and click on the bell if you want to see more videos coming your way to be alerted. Just thank you so much, and feel free to share this content with anybody who you think would find some value from this. Have an awesome, joyous, wonderful, breath-filled rest of your day.